Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com, and in this final video we are going to submit our anti-Candy Crunch version to the App Store. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, in the previous episode, we have uploaded our build to iTunes Connect and it was processing. Now that time has passed, it is ready to submit. Our build is ready. But before we do that, let us just go to the App Store and select, let us just do the final steps in our iTunes Connect app. So the name will be Anti-Cookie Crunch 2. Okay, that is fine because either way I will just show you how I will update the existing project, but for now let us take a look at what you need to do for your app to be live on the App Store. So the name is okay, privacy URL is optional, subtitle, well, you could add the match for game, okay, or something like that. Okay, next up is our category. It is games, of course. Subcategory, let's say maybe puzzle and family, and secondary is optional. Now the license agreement optional again, we don't want to go, and let's just save for now. So the app information is saved. Next up is pricing and availability. Let's just wait for it to save. Okay, now let's take a look at pricing and availability. The price, well, I believe it should be free, and availability available in all territories, volume purchase program, okay, and finally let's click on save again, and now we are ready to move on to prepare our app for submission. So go ahead and tap on that. First of all, we need some screenshots. So I will just, well, you can have up to free app previews, that is videos of your screen, and up to 5 screenshots for the 5.8 inch display, 5.5 display, and 12.9 display. Well, you need to create all of these assets, and you can do that. You just need to give the correct sizes, and of course iPhone 10 is optional. I will not add them now, just simply create your screenshots with the help of your simulator or your device, and of course you can easily add them. Well, let us just just create and move from our other here we are, anti-cookie crunch. I will just download one resource from there and I will show you how it all works. Okay, first this one. Okay, let's save our image. Well, let's save it to the desktop. And now let's grab our iPad version and let's save it again onto the desktop. Okay, and now let us just go back to our Anti-Cookie Crunch 2, prepare for submission, and here we go, select iPhone 5.5 inches, and now just go to your desktop. Yeah, this is it. Just simply drag and drop it into, well, at least one screenshot is required. And in previews and localizations, we will use this screenshot for all device sizes, well, iPhone device sizes. And now for the iPad, let's just drag and drop it like so. Upload, and we will use this for all iPads screenshots. Okay, promotional text. Okay, this can be changed without submitting a new version to review for the app review team. So this promotional text is very good if you want to let users know some new things about your app or some promotion inside your app. Okay, description. I will just simply go and, well, maybe let's open this up in a new tab, so I can just simply copy and paste what I have added to my other anti-cookie crunch, so I just don't have to think about all of the text and so on. Okay, let's just find our anti-cookie crunch here, ready for sale. So here we are. Okay, and here is our description. Why can't I just copy it out? It's a shame. So go ahead and type in, and maybe you should add a lot of text here, because sometimes it just checks, so you may have enough description. Keywords, let us just select our keywords from here. Of course, make sure you have your keywords. And I already see an old error of mine: do not use spaces after the commas, because you lose keyword characters, and you can, of course, by now you can add a 5-word character. Okay, Rebeloper.com is our support URL, marketing URL is optional, and I will just save for now because we have prepared a whole chunk. And let's just move forward. Let's add our build, and because it has been processed, we will add our build like so. And now a version number should be 0.0.0, so 2 zeros, as you have set up in your Xcode project. Let's edit our rating here. No violence, no realistic violence. So I will just choose all of these nuns. Well, no nuns, no priests, no nuns, but a no here too. And let's click on done. Okay, and let's add our in-app purchases. Let's select all of them and add our game center. Here we go, click on done. Let's move on down. No sign-in is required, and I would just add in my contact information here, and I'll just blur this out. And finally, let's automatically release this version. Let's just click on save. This is, oh, there are some errors, and most probably it is my phone number, so I would just quickly fix that. Okay, it has been fixed, and now we are ready to submit for review. And I will not submit the whole way, I will just walk you through, because I will just update the other version. So there are some errors. Oh, copyright. You must add a copyright 200/2018, and the copyright symbol is Alt-G. Okay, let's save this. Okay, and now we should be ready to submit for review. So let's click on submit for review, and we need a few steps and we should be ready. Okay, export compliance. Is your app designed to use cryptography, etc.? No. Content rights. Does your app contain third-party content? No. And advertising identifier. This is very important. Select yes, and select serve advertisement within the app. And of course, agree to the license agreement and click on submit. Now I will not click on submit because this is very similar to my other app, and the app review team will definitely reject it, so I will just cancel out. Go ahead and click on the submit button yourself. And for me, I will just go ahead and set up a new version for my other app, and this is for you who have already submitted a version of Candy Crush to the App Store. This is how you can update. So, and I have already uploaded my build here under activities. So go to the App Store and select version, a new version or platform. Well, maybe I have already created one, so go ahead and select this one if you have already created it. Well, not new stuff, new design. Okay. Yep, we need to drag our screenshots. Here we go. Oh, sorry about that. Let's select iPhone 5.5 inch. Oh, here it is. Well, we already have our screenshots and promotional text. Okay. Everything stays the same. Let's add our new build here. The copyright should be 2018, and the version we need to change this to 2.0.0. Automatically release this version. Release update to all users immediately, and let's keep existing rating. And now let's click on save. And finally, we should be ready to submit for review. Okay, let's click on submit for review and let's go through all of these necessary steps that we need to comply to. Okay, export compliance. Have you added or made changes to encryption? No, I did not. Advertising identifier, yes. And serve advertisements within the app, and let's agree to the terms of service. And finally, click on submit, and this is how you can update your codes. Okay, let's wait for it to load. And there you have it. We are waiting for review. That is really good news. And this is how you can create a new version of Cookie Crunch. Once again, if you don't know what Candy Crunch is, then go ahead and take a look at it from our site rebeloper.com under products or the tribe. I was explaining all of this in detail in the first video. And if you are from YouTube and watching this on YouTube, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel. And if you are watching this from our membership site or from whatever else place, go ahead and download Candy Crush and make your own version of it and upload it to the App Store so you can have a new app on your portfolio. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the concluding video of this series, and as usual and as always, I will see you in the next one.